So let's start off looking at some Atom navigation packages. These are going to be things that help us navigate or get around our code and Atom itself. First of all, one of my favorite is Simple Panes. This gives us some helpful keyboard shortcuts for working with panes. Then there's Minimap. This shows us a sidebar view of our code that a lot of people find really helpful. I don't personally use it or like it too much, but I'm mentioning it since it is quite popular with a lot of developers. There's a great little package called Block Travel that will let us more easily move up and down throughout our code. There's a definition package that will let us jump automatically to where a certain method or function is defined. There's the Jumpy package, which will help display a bunch of keyboard shortcuts to allow us quickly to jump to pretty much anywhere in our code that is visible. And finally, we'll look at Highlight Selected, a little feature that selects other occurrences of any word that you're currently clicking on. So now that we've identified a few packages, let's check out each one individually, look at how to install it, and use it.